Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So for today's tutorial, I'll start on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair before getting into using this amazing hair paint wax. So to start off, I parted my hair on the side all the way down. It does not have to be super straight in the back because it is a wash and go. So because I cannot see the back of my head and I'm not even going to try. So as long as the front is straight, it's going to be great. So with your choice of leave-in, moisturizer, and styler, apply before you apply the hair paint wax, just like you would do with your regular hair wash day. So make sure you style your hair like regular before applying that product. Using the blue hair wax for my first time, I started with a small amount on my fingers and started from the bottom and worked my way up. I did not put any towards my scalp because I wanted to have like an ombre look. I didn't want to keep my regular hair color so it can blend well. So I applied more on the bottom part of my hair than the top just to give it that look. So while I apply that product, I'm gonna then do the bandit method. So now it's time to band the first part of my head. So I use all my hair bands and I'm going to band it all the way down. So with the banding method, it just helps with elongating your hair because shrinkage is something else and sometimes we don't like it. So if you just want elongated curls, use the banding method. It's a healthier option than just blow drying it out and doing all that. So I use the banding method. Now I don't go all the way down because I would like my curls to pop at the ends of my hair. So I also applied more hair paint wax to the bottom. Now I'm continuing to apply all my leave-in, my styler, and moisturizer to my hair before doing the other side. Make sure you guys keep it moisturized. So after I applied that, I sectioned it to a back section because I would like it to be a little longer on the back side. So I did a back section and I applied the hair paint wax there, doing that ombre look as well. So more to the bottom and then working my way up, but not all the way up. Now the great thing about this hair paint wax is it is a healthier alternative to dyeing your hair, meaning I'm not about to have all this dye in my hair and messing up my hair. And I mean, it's okay to have dye. I had it before, but it is temporary and I like it. And the other thing is it doesn't leave your hair crunchy. It also doesn't leave your hair dry. Now the thing about the hair paint wax is it is so temporary that if you put any oil water base on your hair, it will come off on whatever. You say you lay on your pillow, it may come off, but it is okay because wash your pillow, it will be gone. So that's how temporary it is. It will not stain your clothes. So if it does get on your clothes, don't be alarmed. So I'm going to continue to the front section and do the exact same thing throughout that section. And then I will be banding it. Next thing is, of course, laying those edges and drying my hair. So I lay my edges with some edge control. Not doing super much, just laying them, and not creating any baby hairs or anything like that. But if you guys like that, I do, but not this not for this particular hairstyle, then do that. So I applied the thing a little bit towards a back too, but on the parted area. Excuse me. Once I did that, I tied it up and I went under the dryer for like 15 minutes to semi-dry my hair. And I did not dry my hair all the way because I do not like my wash and goes to be super dry. I like to sometimes air dry it out, so you guys will see. Alright, so now after I sat under the dryer for like 10-15 minutes, I'm going to take it down. Usually I coat my hands with the oil, but this time I'm not because of the hair paint wax and that my hair is still wet. So I'm not doing that. I'll take all my hair down, and now it's time to reveal those edges that I was telling you guys about earlier.
Place though.
She been there?
Yeah, I know.
Right?
I know, because I was saying earlier I was gonna. Ooh, okay.
You see the blue? You see the blue. Alright.
That's cute.
Not done yet. Gotta pick it. Gotta pick it.
Oh, yeah.
Over here recording this. Y'all see it? Y'all see it?
Yeah, we see the blue.
See it? Oh, it's so amazing.
Girl in blue. Okay. Dye it like that permanent. No, like,
no, just like.
No, like.
Yeah, I ain't ready for that.
The red looks really good on you. I like it better. Not red. I like it better.
I was like, where's the red at? You like better in red or blue?
I like it better in blue.
Oh God.
Kai's like, yeah, I'm feeling this color.
As you heard, my sister just said I'm feeling the color, and I am. So now I'm just going to continue picking out until my liking, add in a little volume, because flat hair is not fun hair. So I'm going to continue picking it out until I'm ready to just rock my hairstyle. So this concludes my tutorial. If you guys liked my results and hair paint wax and the bending method, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Please follow me on all of my social media handles, and make sure to subscribe for sure, because I have some more videos coming up. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be wonderful. So I will see you guys next time.
Is it still recording?
No.
Yes, it is actually.
Hey.
I said, actually, yes, it is actually. Let me turn this off.